ستاسو نوم څه دی؟
What is your name?
What is your name? زما نوم اقرا دی.
My name is Ikra.
My name is Ikra. ستاسو د پلار نوم څه دی؟
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name? زما د پلار نوم تیمور خان دی.
My father's name is Taimur Khan.
My father's name is Taimur Khan. ته د څو کالو یې؟
How old are you?
How old are you? زه د 11 کالو یم.
I am 11 years old.
I am 11 years old. ته چېرته یې؟
Where are you?
Where are you? زه په کور کې یم.
I am at home.
I am at home. ته چېرته وې؟
Where were you?
Where were you? زه په مکتب کې وم.
I was at school.
I was at school. ته چېرته روان یې؟
Where are you going?
Where are you going? زه کور ته روانه یم.
I'm going home.
I am going home. احمد چېرته دی؟
Where is Ahmad?
Where is Ahmad? احمد بهر دی.
Ahmad is outside.
Ahmad is outside.
څنګه یې؟ How are you? How are you? زه ښه یم. I am good. I am good. ستا کورنۍ څنګه ده؟ How is your family? How is your family? هغوی هم ښه دي. They are also good. They are also good. زندگی څنګه روانه ده؟ How is life going on? How is life going on? ښه روانه ده. It is going well. It is going well. انګلش بنیادی او اساسی جملې. زه پوهه نشوم.
I did not understand. I did not understand.
زما دا مطلب نو.
I did not mean that. I did not mean that.
په دې کې څه غلط دي؟
What is wrong with this?
What is wrong with this?